In today's video, I want to start this off as an introduction of this next project that we're going to tackle. This project is going to include us building out a scene that mimics this image here that I took of a dining room table. And the way I want to handle it is that I want to start out with modeling exercises, and for each item that we model out, we'll do the textures and shading, and then we'll start putting the scene together. I'm going to break this down in a number of videos over the course of a few weeks. So this is going to be a full-blown project. I'm going to try to do these videos in pretty rapid succession so you guys don't have to wait too long to try and do everything for each of these videos. So the plan is the following. First, I want to tackle the table just by itself. And then the next video, we'll do the chairs. And as you see here in the photo, there are 3 chairs. We're going to do 4 in our version. There's just a chair in the photo that's missing. And then after we do the table and then the chairs, then I want to do the flowers and the vase on the table. Then I want to do the floor. Then I want to do the walls and the crown molding with the walls. Then I want to tackle the windows. And then I want to tackle, when I do the windows, we're going to tackle the blinds at the same time. And you can't see in this photo, but there's like a light fixture up above it that I'll show you when it's time to do that in the photo. We're going to do the light fixture. We're going to illuminate it, and then last thing I want to do is I want to tackle the lighting. And what I'll probably do, but don't hold me to it, is I may introduce something called gobos lighting, which basically is like having a tree or something on the outside of that wall that is disturbing the amount of sunlight coming in, and we can even animate it. So you can see like flickering in the blinds as the gobos lighting from the blinds and a tree or something shines down on the table. So that's the plan. This is going to be over the next few weeks, so this gives us a lot of content and an actual project to work on. So stay tuned. This video is just an introduction, just to introduce you to it. I'm going to try to post the first video for the table over the weekend. Today, my time, it's Thursday, so I'm going to try to get this done by tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be posted either tomorrow late evening Eastern time or to be posted by Saturday. I'm going to try to crank these out as fast as I can and keep them fairly short so you guys will stay with it and enjoy it. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe and be notified for when I post these, because this is going to be pretty awesome. I hope you guys can join in, and I look forward to seeing you there. As always, happy blendering and take care. See you soon.